Hi, this video will show the different ways in which you can manage your company and account details. Firstly, upon login, you'll be directed to the home page. On this home page, you can see a company details summary. The company details can also be edited. It's important to note that you will only be able to edit the company profile if you have the role of company administrator within your rights. So from here we can change the company information. This includes the address that the supplier is registered at, or that your company is registered at, and you can also add, optionally, website, company registration number, VAT registration number. You can see that these are required for UK addresses. Company affiliations can also be added. These are optional. You have the choice of CHARS, Construction Line or EXOR. You would then just pop your membership number or ID number in the box provided. If you would like to add a new address to this list, you have the option to create a brand new address at the bottom of the page there. Once that's entered, you would just click Create Address. If any changes have been made, just click Update Company Details. You can see in this case it's flagging up that I need to add that company registration number and VAT registration number because the address is in the United Kingdom. These would then just be input as required. Scrolling down the page, you can see the description can also be changed. This includes your company description and any keywords which can be used to improve your company's searchability. You can also add or change your number of employees, and there are some optional classifications that you may want to add. Again, if there's anything required, it will just flag up here. Workgroups can also be created or amended from this page as well. Workgroups allow you to group together different contacts within your company so that any contact within that workgroup can view the other contacts' work or projects that they have been invited to. We can view details of any existing workgroups by clicking View Details, which will bring up a summary, or by clicking on the title of it. From here we can now edit the workgroup name, the categories of interest linked to that workgroup, the regions of interest linked to that workgroup, and any members or contacts you would like to add to that particular workgroup. If a workgroup is not required anymore, you can also disable the workgroup from this page. You could also have edited that workgroup by just clicking on Edit. To add a brand new workgroup, click Add New Workgroup. We give that a name. Click Continue. We can then add the categories that are linked to this workgroup. This means that the opportunities that match these categories will be automatically emailed to you. And also you can add regions. So this is depicting the areas that you can supply to. Once those have been added, click Continue. If all the information is correct, we can create the workgroup. What we can then do is add members to that particular workgroup. Within this company profile page, there's also the ability to add new contacts. This can just be done by adding their basic information and email address. You also get to choose their username. You then specify the address that they work from, place them in any work groups, and that is that user then created. They will be sent their username and be able to select their password. Any existing contact can also be amended by clicking on the title and changing the relevant information. This will actually be looked at later in this video. Finally, addresses can also be added or amended at the bottom of that page. If you would like to deactivate the company profile, you can click to do so. You can also place a request to change your company name. You just need to put the new company name in and the reason. This request will be submitted to the portal for approval. Any changes to this company profile will be saved in the audit history. From the home page, you also have the ability to view or amend work groups from there as well. So that is how to amend the company details. What we will now look at is how to edit your particular contact information. So when you are logged in, you can click on your account. This will show you your personal account information. It will show you the organisation or company that you are contact of. Your login details can be edited here. So if you do need to amend any password or your memorable information, this can be done here. You can also change your contact details, including name, job title, email addresses and telephone numbers. And you can also amend the address that you are registered at. Depending on your user rights, you may be able to edit which work groups you are included in, and also what access rights you have. If you would like to upload a user image for this account, you can do by clicking on Edit, choose File, and then selecting the relevant image to be linked to this contact. There is also an audit history for each contact or each account as well.